Here's a quick tractor update on where we stand. I've installed the lights and the wiring. The radiator I had to drill new holes, move it back a little bit because the studs are in the wrong location. Had to cut the bottom off of this so the grill would fit because the radiator is 3/4 of an inch too tall. But we got the linkage for everything connected, battery box on. Got non-skid pads everywhere where the paint would wear off. Tail light. This is it. It's looking pretty good. You can see the wiring here. So today we're going to put the tires on and drive it. So stay tuned for that video.